Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieve this hair using the rubber band method. So stay tuned guys, while I'll be showing you how I achieve it. Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in into this video. Thank you for the love and support guys. I'm so happy because I'll be showing you how I achieve this braid using the rubber band method. So guys, if you're new to my channel or you just seen my face for the first time and you're wondering who is this, my name is Abigail Ifoma. Thank you, welcome to my channel. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you don't miss any time I upload a new video. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up also. Yeah, and also comment down below what you think about the hair. So guys, this particular video is not a new video. I have this on my device for a very long time, so I decide to upload it in case if you're seeing some changes. Yeah, it's not a recent video. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So right now my hair is washed, and then I just want to section the hair into section by section, so it's gonna be easy for me to make. So as you can see, I applied two products on my hair, which is the Canton leave-in conditioner and then the DIY oil I make. So after that, I'm just going to section the hair and then to the size of hair I wanted, and then tie it with a rubber band. So that's what you see me doing, and that's what I'll be doing, just so it can be easy and I'll know the number of hair I want to make. At the initial stage I wanted 30 braids, but I think I ended up doing more than 30, but it's fine. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a mirror right now. You can see like sectioning the back. I have a mirror in front of me, and then at my back I have a smaller mirror I use to look at my back, so that way it can be the cutting at the back can be straight. In case you're wondering, how is she cutting the hair like so easy like that? I have a big mirror in front of me, and then also a smaller one at my back that I just use to look at it, so that way it's easy in case if you want to do same or you're finding it difficult to cut your hair at the back. So that is the trick. So right now, as you can see, I'm sectioning the hair. Once I section the hair, I'll just use my edge control to make the hair slick and then use the rubber band to band it. So guys, please watch the video and then you understand better. Please, if you find the video helpful, like I said, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the bell also, so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, at this point I was done tying the hair with the rubber band, and here is how it's looking like. I think this rubber band method is easy because it makes you know the number of hair or the number of braid you want to make. So here is it. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Alright guys, I will allow you all to watch and see for yourself. This is the back side. I speed it a little bit, but when I got to the middle I had to reduce the speed. So guys, just enjoy the video. So what you see me putting is, I discovered when I want to make the hair, I discovered the hair was a little bit dry, so I applied the Cantun leave-in conditioner on it just to make it soft, to moisturize the hair and then make it soft for me to be able to section it into 3 parts.